The Nova app is a huge part of the Solar Nest and Pro Series ecosystems. You can use it to monitor and change settings on your devices. Now, this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up on your phone, but you can also do this on a browser in a very similar way. So, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is download the app using whichever store you have on your device. So Android, you're going to use the Google Play. If you have Apple, it's going to be on the Apple Play Store. If you open up the search bar and type in TBB Nova, then you'll see this app pop up. This is the one you want to download. Now the next step, we're going to open it up and register. So click on register down the bottom, put in your details here, the name of the account, your phone number, your country, your city, company is optional, dealer you can leave blank, then create a secure password for your account. Now enter it again. Now put your email where you want your account to be associated with, and bear in mind you'll get monitoring alerts to this email. Once you've entered the email, press Get on the verification code box. This will send an email to the email you've put in with a code. Copy that code and place it in the verification code box. Once you've entered that code, press I agree to the terms and conditions, then register. Now, using the same email address and password, you'll be able to log in on the login page. Now, once we've been logged in, we're going to press the little plus icon to add a site. Once you have the Add New Installation screen pop up, you can tap on the icon for installation location. This may ask your permission. Please press allow and this will automatically determine the location of your site. We're going to select the communication module that we have, which is actually the E4 series unit. Now at this point we need to set up the Wi-Fi connection to the E4 monitor so that it can reach the internet and connect through to your app. Plus we also need to get the serial number from the E4 monitor so we can connect the systems. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the settings menu by clicking here, then general settings, then wireless comm. Now this is where you're going to find your network. Press Wi-Fi search, then you'll get a list of all the available ones in the area. Press on your one, then enter the password. Once you've entered your password, press config and wait. There we go. Once you've entered all of the information correctly, you should get a connected in green up the top. Once we've done that, we're sorted. We can go back to this menu and then back again and then click on information. This first line here, this is the serial number for our E4 monitor unit. Please enter this into your app now under the serial number section. The name of the account. You can leave the dealer text box empty. Once you've done this, press confirm. This should give you an operation successful signal, and eventually your site will appear on your home screen. Now if you click into this, you'll be able to see all sorts of data and you'll be able to change some settings. But the first thing we want to do before we get right into the thick of it is to add our Nova account to your system so we can help you monitor everything. If you press the small gear icon outlined here, it'll take you to install settings. From here, press user management. Then invite user button down the bottom, and please put our email in here, which is nova@gridfree.store. Then confirm. Now that you've invited us to your site, we can see everything that's going on and we can help you set the system up with the correct settings. If you get stuck or need any help along the way, please get in touch. We're all happy to help.